Welcome to this short breathing break. All you need is 5 minutes. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels comfortable or is accessible. Let's begin. Take a moment to settle in. Let your hands rest in your lap or by your sides. And if it feels okay, gently close your eyes or just soften your gaze. Let's start by noticing the breath. You don't need to change anything, just observe. Feel the air moving in and out. Maybe through your nose. Maybe through your mouth. There's no right or wrong way. We're just noticing. Now slowly take a deeper breath in. Feel your lungs expand and slowly let it go. Let's try that again. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll move into a gentle rhythm. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, and exhale for 6. Let's try this together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going at your own pace. In for 4, hold for 2, out for 6. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Just bring it back to the count, to the rhythm, to the breath. Now return to your natural breath. Let it flow however it wants. Notice how your body feels now, maybe a little softer, a little slower, a little calmer. Take one more deep breath in and let it go with a sigh. When you're ready, gently open your eyes or just look around the space you're in. You've just taken 5 minutes to reset your breath and your nervous system. Take this calm with you into the rest of your day and return to this guided breath exercise whenever you need it. Namaste.
Oh, oh.